this often, kidnapping people off the street and interrogate them.
You're my first one, actually. How am I doing?
Shoot me. I drop this and we all die.
What exactly does a State Department supply chain logistician do?
They work behind the desk. They write reports.
That sounds...
Boring?
Dr. Ryan, I need you to come with me.
For what?
We have to go.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind.
What have you got?
The individual behind these transactions could be a high-level target. His name is Suleiman.
How come you're the only one that knows about this mystery man?
I was just following the money, sir.
They have cells in France, Yemen, Syria, and those are just the ones we know about.
There's something different about his agenda.
I'd like to set up a task force.
Whatever he's planning, he's ready now.
I can't go to Yemen. I'm an analyst. I don't interrogate people, I write reports.
Get on the plane.
We gotta figure out a way to get inside his head.
Musa bin Sulaiman is my husband. He don't know where I am. My son is with him.
Is he planning something here?
Paris was only the beginning.
Just follow along. Watch and learn.
We have to chase this down.
My son. Get him back. Promise me.
I promise you, I'm the best chance you have.
I'm just a man. I do what I can, don't put the blame on me.
4. Liberal Party.
What's your name?
Norman, sir. 34.
Jeremy Thorpe is elected leader of the Liberal Party.
He was hell.
You're the youngest man to lead a British political party in more than a century.
Careful now, I'm not sure any boy's worth ending up in prison for.
I was a victim
My little bunny.
of his lust.
He will destroy me and the party and my marriage.
Mrs. Thorpe.
Do you?
So, what would you like me to do?
Jeremy Thorpe is a highly respected man.
It is alleged that Thorpe and Mr. Scott began a homosexual affair.
That's me.
Peter Taylor accused
On the telly.
prosecution.
I can't believe they can say this on the BBC.
This is the story of a liar meeting a fantasist. And I'm not sure which one's which.
It's bonkers, isn't it? It's bloody nuts.
I'm arresting you for conspiracy to murder.
He's perfected the art of hiding in plain sight.
Jeremy Thorpe did this! It was Jeremy Thorpe!
There is only one way for us to survive.
I will talk, I will be heard, and I will be seen.
You were amazing.
I was rude, I was vile, I was queer, I was myself.
A very English scandal on BBC One.
Who gives a toast at her own wedding? I do. I love this man. And yes, there is shrimp in the egg rolls.
Rabbi, she's kidding.
We could be downtown people, close to the clubs. I thought you wanted to be a cool chick.
I could be a cool chick with a doorman and a Kelvinator Foodorama refrigerator, can't I?
Yes, you can.
Joel left you? Why? What did you do?
Did you ever think you were supposed to be something, and you suddenly realize you're not?
Yes. Married. I was a great wife. I was fun. I can't believe I'm losing him to Penny Pan. That's her name. Penny Pan. I'm sorry, but look at me. Who wouldn't want to come home to this every night? Think Bob Newhart's got a set of these at home? Rickles, maybe. Hey!
15 years I've been working in clubs, okay? Twice have I seen someone deliver the goods. What are you talking about? I'm talking about your act. I am a mother. I don't have an act.
You will when we're done.
Hi, everybody.
Heard some uptown chick got arrested doing a set.
What's the crime?
Simulating a sex act while on stage.
That's bullshit.
Mrs. Mason!
She's gonna do what with her life? Sit around all day long eating bonbons. Is that what you want for her?
Of course not.
That's what's gonna happen.
Not.
It's
Get out of here!
This comedy thing, it has to work.
I'm gonna count to 5. 1.
That's the end of my show, folks. Tune in next week when my grandmother steals my
3,
pearls and fucks my boyfriend.
We charge for pictures now.
There's something here about miming a whore tickling a man's testicles.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, she did. It was fucking funny.